Hey YouTube, so today I wanted to show you the solar water heater that I made for my pool. I got a 4x8 foot sheet of OSB plyboard at Lowe's. Just cut it in half into 4 foot by 4 foot squares. Painted everything flat black. Also I kind of did frames around the side just for some more structure. The hose, I've got 400 feet of black drip irrigation hose. Also bought at Lowe's. I think it was like maybe 10 bucks for a 100-foot roll, so not terribly expensive. So I've got one linked into the other, so it goes through all 400 feet. Let me show you the setup I made on my pool pump. It's all powered by the actual pool pump. I didn't need any other type of AC pump or anything like that. Basically, the 2-inch line I have there, I cut the line in several parts. I put a T junction right there with a ball valve so that I could close off the water going to the solar heater if I wanted to. That second valve there on the 2-inch pipe was necessary to kind of close off the main waterway going to the pool to force more water through the line here to the solar heater. I put in one for a return from the hot water coming from the pump or coming from the heater, but I found that it's not as effective as just actually letting the water drip into the pool. So again, it all runs off of my pool pump. I have it under the tarp there just so water doesn't get in and corrode the pump as quickly. It's a 2.5 horsepower pump, so it's plenty enough to power the heater and keep water flowing into the pool. So I'll show you what it looks like. The pump is, or the pool rather, is still kind of green from cleaning it up from the past winter, but I'll show you the return here into the pool. I've got it coming, and I'm actually going to get a black garden hose, but and a shorter blue one. So the blue hose is coming from the pool into the top of the first heater panel there, flows into the second panel through the second 200 foot, and then I have the black PVC hose from the heater junction with a regular garden hose that runs up here, and the pressure from the pump is enough to push through all that and that vertical climb right there. What you want is you want a shorter or a not as much of a flow out of the heaters. You want the water to kind of take its time as it goes through the heaters, building up more heat. That's actually extremely warm right there. I would say that's even warmer than the water that comes out of my hot water pipes at home. So this can produce massive amounts of warm water just off of the pool pump. But you could even slow down the flow for hotter water, or speed up the flow for cooler water. Or completely shut it off with the junctions there. There's a view from the top of this setup. I don't know if you can kind of see down in there how the setup looks. But all in all, I think I maybe spent less than $100 on all the parts for this, which is pretty good for you know, hot water supply that you don't need to power by any means. Of course, it's at the mercy of the sun. I get pretty good location, or pretty good sun direction here at the location I'm at, so I've just got them kind of leaning up against there. I might relocate those if I get better sun coverage somewhere else in my yard. But anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching.